Hello, in today's video I want to give you a short review and a couple of close-ups of my new filtering water bottle from VSITOO. Hello again, so I got myself another water bottle. This is the stainless steel water bottle that comes with the filter. What is important to me is when I travel, I like to be independent, so by having a water filter and stainless steel bottle gives me flexibility, so I don't have to go to the store, buy water, and then I don't have to dump empty plastic bottles. So let me give you a couple of close-ups and tell a little bit more about this filter and the bottle. So this particular bottle is 750 milliliters. It's made out of stainless steel and it's really great quality. I've been using this bottle for about a month, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. I banged it a couple of times and the paint is really great. So it is stainless steel inside on the outside, which means that you can also use it as a thermos. When you go on your trip, you can use this to store your hot coffee, and this container will keep it hot or cold for 24 hours. After you're done, you can just go and put a filter inside of the bottle, fill it up from any faucet or any water source, and you're going to have a nice clean water, so you don't have to worry about being dehydrated. So if you want to drink from it, all you have to do is this. And this piece is, I think also, it feels like it's made from metal, and you have a very nice good handle. So if you go on your trip, you can use some kind of a clip. You can put it and clip it on your backpack or anywhere else, and it's very sturdy. Included filter is replaceable, so if you want to replace it, all you have to do is just unlock it, and now here you have a filter. This filter is made out of carbon. It replaces basically 300 bottles. You have to replace it every 2 months if you use it every day. And it filters chlorine and a bunch of metals. You can check out the specs on the website. So wherever you go, if you want to get the water from the tap, you can easily and safely drink it, and you don't have to worry about spending money on water. And here's, you can just detach it. What also is great, that if you don't want to use the filter, for example, you go to work and you need a handy bottle, all you have to do is just fill it up with whatever drink you have, so you don't necessarily have to use it with the filter, and then you can just use it if you have a filtered water inside already. So that's what I've been using lately at work, and it works really great. So in summary, this is a really great bottle. It will save you a lot of money on unnecessary purchases of bottled water, which sometimes is not even clean, good water. And then you have a good quality bottle for your travel, or if you want to use it for the gym. Highly recommend it. I really love this bottle. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.